because it's active. Today's rental is a bit of a deja vu, because I kind of almost had that, or I had something similar. Today I have a Ford Turneo, last time I got it right, Connect, diesel, just like a while ago, but you may notice it has a slightly different shade of grey and some plastic cladding because it's active. Yeah, so it is a Ford Turneo Connect. Yes, Connect, Turneo, yes, active, which apparently warrants some plastic cladding to make it look more off-roady. We'll test that later. But also, apparently, I think it might have a slightly higher ride height or something. I don't know. Who knows? But other than that, it's a Turneo Connect. It is still a long wheelbase, or again a long wheelbase, which apparently is called a Grand Connect, or something like that. I'll have to look that up again. But yeah, let's go inside where it's warm. So, welcome on the inside, the warm part. Looks basically exactly like the other one, like the last one, because it is. Hold on. Actually, so this is a 2000 and... don't know. 21 probably, based on the kilometers. 1708 right now. Just picked it up with like just shy of 1700. And a Grand Turneo Connect active. I mean, so what are you driving? Well, I drive a Ford Grand Turneo Connect active. Where is it? It's not here. It's a 1.5 something. Where is it? Doesn't say. Doesn't say anywhere that it's a 1.5, does it? Well, it says here, I guess. So yeah, it's a 1.5 diesel with an 8-speed automatic, right there. But I'll be honest, these alleged 120 horses, this is not programmed for speed. This is programmed for, I don't know, something. Because, boy, does it feel like it needs its time to get up there. But hey, it is how it is. On the inside, the only other differences, you go away, and I go away. The other difference is the seats have now an active logo. Ooh, yeah. Rear seat have some blue bits too. That's for the active. They still look horribly uncomfortable. They probably are. Nothing has changed on that front. In the front here, I do have heated seats, which work nicely, which today is appreciated because it is still 0 degrees. So, yeah, could be better, could be nicer. Other than that, we still have that glass roof with a big sunshady thingy on it. We still have extra storage up there. We still have so much space. I cannot even reach the front of the windshield still. I still feel kind of lost in here. And oh yeah, the one thing they also still have, obviously because it's the same car, is this. Why? You know, this pile of design fuck up. Why is there a piece of plastic trim covering the window? Why, Ford? What the fuck? Anyway, I'm gonna make use of the heated seats a bit more and the well-working heater. I'll try not to step on the clutch too much. I almost already did today, so yeah. And then I'll put some kilometers on this and do some work. So, be right back. One thing that is kind of annoying, nice on this weather but kind of annoying, is the front window being heated. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but like this, I don't know, these lines, the sky, the clouded sky, the fog just like really brings out the lines, and it's really kind of annoying to see that. To me at least. I guess you get used to it, I think, but oh well. Can't have all the things, you know, can't have your cake and eat it too, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is suffering from the same problem like the last one. The whole ledge here and the trunk that goes to here, this just keeps falling off, and things keep falling out when you open the trunk. Oh, and while we're in the trunk, I have no idea what this is. Some arrows, some kilonewtons, and some damn newtons, or something, I don't know. I don't know. No idea what this is supposed to be. I mean, I'll have to look that up. ISO 27956. No idea. It's not over here. Inside looks otherwise the same. Stupid seats. Yeah, here you can have a look at the glass roof on the top. So it's not actually as big as it seems from the inside, funnily enough, but still pretty big. Okay, it's a couple of hours later. I labored some labor, paid kind, you know, and I'm back here wanting to load all this stuff in there, and I'm noticing there's like the lack distinct of a trunk button. Like, what is up with that? So I have to unlock all the things and open it that way, or not maybe. Okay, unlocked. Mirrors are folded. Hold on. Locking. Yeah. Unlock. Excuse me. Unlock again. No. What? Hold? Hold to unlock all the things? What is that? I also noticed earlier that I couldn't find a button for the trunk anywhere in here. Let's have a look again. Door, no. I tried this, same thing with this. Hood, ODB dongle, apparently somebody already fiddled with that. No buttons, no buttons. No. 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 That's weird. That's all weird. I don't know why that would be. I mean, you don't have anything on the remote. You don't have buttons anywhere in the car. What the fuck? That's weird. Speaking of weird, what's the GPS antenna doing there, like somewhere crooked off to the side? Seriously? Like, really? This reminds me of GM, you know, and their GMT 800 or whatever, and onwards line. So weird. Although I think Ford actually does it too on the F-150. So weird. I do have to admit this whole kind of more space concept is kind of working today for me, because I would have trouble on the focus with that. Okay, we can't return this thingy without testing the one thing it's supposedly better at, although, yeah, let's face it, it isn't. Yeah, so, does it off-road? And... no. No, it does not. It doesn't do anything better than the non-active version. Yeah, I don't think... I mean, maybe Mr. Active here did a little bit better, but no, I don't think so. This is not off-roading. So, I stopped again, I want to unload now, and I'm already expecting not to be able to open the trunk. Like, I don't want to turn the car off because I want to get going right away again, so... Again, I don't think there's any button anywhere here. There's none on the remote, we know that. So, I'm not gonna actually press this now first. I'm just gonna open the car. Yeah, shut up, I know the car's on. Let's have a look. Nope. Click, click. Click and hold. Nope. Is this open? This is open. Press this. Nope. Press and hold. I don't know. Didn't sound different. No. How do I... What was that? I locked it and unlocked it. And that did the trick? What is that logic? Stupid thing. So, I'm about to return that thingy because, well, what's there to review really? Because I've had one of those before, so yeah. Anyway, long story short, this is another one of these things that is kind of ugly but kind of practical. This time with plastic cladding and fake diffusers, because it is obviously now active. There we go, active. And yeah, other than that, same thing. This still sucks. This is not really cool because it's just hunting for gears. It just keeps hunting for gears, especially in low speeds, like in the 30, 35, 40 kilometer an hour range, like slow city traffic or just like residential areas. If you're just following traffic that doesn't go like perfectly smooth, you just have to like lift off a little bit. As soon as you lift off throttle, it downshifts immediately. No, upshifts, yes. And if you just as much as glance at the throttle pedal just to like prevent it from losing speed, it downshifts again. And you can play that game like within seconds, like up, down, up, down. It's just, yeah, not great. I don't know what 8-speed that is, but it's either the 8-speed or the programming. Probably the programming, let's face it, most of it is just programming these days. Not great. It's not really amazing to drive. Feels a bit weird. And it's a weird combination of lag at low speeds, like when you punch it and want to get going, as well as on the other side, if you're like stationary and you want to get going, it's kind of jerky. It's weird. It's like nothing, jerk, and not even if like a minimal throttle input. So it's just not amazing. Other than that, still has the old steering wheel, like with these rounded over buttons. It's just like not nice. This block for the cruise control down there, it's not amazing. These seats are still okay. The back seat is still shit. This glass roof is still kind of cool, but kind of useless. And the trunk and the long wheelbase version is not bad. Yeah. So that's it basically. It's a car.